new computer. I have a new It is not tight.
No, it's okay.
Okay. So that's why I've taken
Sometimes you feel weak. The fear you carry inside wakes you up. The overplaying pattern of memory hides your true face. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You will try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it. You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunder. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart. Whatever happens, remember that you can do anything you want. You can do anything you want. Follow the light if you're not sure. Listen to your gut. The right path will come when the time is right. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You will try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it. You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunder. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart. Whatever happens, remember that you can do anything you want. You can do anything you want. Fear you carry inside wakes you up. The overplaying pattern of memory hides your true face. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You will try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it. You hope for wonders, living.
Way. Почему?
Let me see. It is not tight.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
At least it can stand.
Huh?
It is somehow, but it is okay. This is
You can do whatever you want. Very many ways to be happy. Guys, I'm happy. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Let me hope you are doing fine. Let me hope you are doing great. If you're seeing this face for the first time, you're wondering who is this, I'm Sharita Ahmed, and thank you so much for clicking onto this video. And for those who are returning, thank you so much for always doing that. Okay, I'm so excited. As you can see, the smile is from here up to here. Guys, I got a new laptop. My husband got for me a new PC. I have a new computer. So guys, I wanted to share this with you. My new computer. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So guys, I had a computer, but when I got married, and that time my husband was still employed, so there was no need for him to have a computer. But after my husband setting up his own business, and so I decided to give him my laptop so that it can help him in his business. So he was using my laptop for his business, and there was no way I would, use that laptop because it had a lot of, business information and all that. So I never wanted to mess it up. So I kept on telling him I want to, to start editing my videos on a laptop. So he just got me. Just got me this one. I'm so happy. Sivateme binyo. So he just got me this one, and I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. It's a nice laptop, guys, and it is so slim. Look at this. So slim, and I love. I've not yet used it, but I'm sure I'm going to edit this video. This video is saying from here. Oh my god, I've been using my phone to edit my videos, to film my videos, and to edit them, to upload them. So finally I'm going to be using this computer to edit my videos and upload them as well. So let me also show you what he got for the kids. Though these are the things which he usually gets. Just so he got the kids this pool, and they're going to be, oh, this looks so small, 120 centimeter. Isn't it small? I feel like it is small. So he got for them this pool, so they are going to be enjoying. But I feel that this is small, guys. I feel it is too small, but we shall see when we open. Let me even open this, guys. I feel like this is small. I don't want to open it, by the way. Oh, I don't know. So this is how it looks from the inside. I'm not going to open this. The kids are going to just disturb right now. Let me not open this. So let me wait for my husband to come and handle this. So I was thinking that's something anyways. So we got these walnuts, and they're already open, and these are so nice. So we got that. We always buy our, because we call them dry fruits. We always buy this from Kampala, and we always buy them from Senana supermarket. These are mixed. These ones are mixed. They have almonds, walnuts, and what are these? I'm forgetting. So you also got this. Oh, and finally he got us this. So he got us this bigger one. I think this bigger one can take us for 2 weeks, But for the other smaller one, the one we used to buy from here, it takes only 1 week. It's a very big, you know, can, and it's at 15. Yeah, this is very big, guys. So this is going to take us for 2 weeks. Yeah, for 2 weeks. I think that's all that we have got. Me and who? I think that's all that he got from Kampala.
Sometimes you feel weak. The fear you carry inside wakes you up. The overplaying pattern of memory hides your true face. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You'll try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it. You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter.
So guys, I've just applied this turmeric and lemon. Sorry about the noise, that's the microwave. I'm warming my breakfast. But I've just applied turmeric and some honey on my face because I have some dark spots. I'm fighting those. I'm going to have my breakfast, then we shall work on the pantry. Guys, I want to clear the pantry and, you know, organize it for maybe the restock of this month. So I'm going to try clean the pantry before Friday because I also have other stuff to do. So it's better I do that now because today I really don't have anything to do. So I'm just going to work on the pantry, then yeah.
Sometimes you feel weak. The fear you carry inside wakes you up. The overplaying pattern of memory hides your true face. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You'll try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it. You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunder. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart. Whatever happens, remember that you can do anything you want. You can do anything you want. Follow the light if you're not sure, and listen to your gut. The right path will come when the time is right. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You'll try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it. You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make
Cleaning. So right now I'm done with the cleaning, and what I did is to spray paint these shelves. As you can see, they look so pretty. They were so bad. So what I did is to organize and remove the empty jars so that I can note down what we are missing from the pantry. As you can see, those are the only spices left. So in this way, it is very easy for me to note down the things which are done and the things which are almost done that I'm going to buy, but not in a large quantity. I hope you understand that. Like sugar, we only have 2 kilos left, so it means I'm only going to add like 3 kilos more for just, you know, to take us in a month. Yeah, so yeah, as you can see, we are running out of basmati rice. I don't have the other rice, and popcorn, I'm going to restock on that. Then the shelf is almost empty. Here I always keep the snacks, and we don't have any right now. So I think that is it. And for the cereals, I only buy, I think, 1 pack a month, and these ones don't get done, by the way, in a month. They really take us for maybe 5 months, because we eat cereals maybe once a week. We eat cereals maybe once a week. Yeah, once a week. So they really take us for very many months. So when I'm restocking, I always buy 1 type of cereal to add on this. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy maybe 2 types or 1 type of cereals just to add on this. For the spices, I think I'm not going to restock any spices, because as you can see, we still have many. I don't use a lot of spices in the food we eat. I only use garam masala, paprika, then coriander powder, and turmeric. I think that's all, and these are for pilau. These 2. Yeah, I think that's all that I use when I'm making food. And when we get olives, I don't get rid of this can. So when the olives are done, I just remove this sticker and wash the can to just reuse it like that. Yeah, the only I think storage jars that I bought are the long ones, that one and this one. The rest are just recycled, so I don't usually throw them. This mixed pickle is done, and I'm just going to remove the sticker, then wash this jar to just keep my spices. Yeah, that's what I do. I've never bought any spice jars. Maybe I'll buy, but not now, because I have these ones. I don't see the reason why I have to buy. So let me just close off this vlog from here. Thank you guys for watching up to the end, and if you've watched from the beginning up to the end, please leave me a heart in the comment section below. See you on Monday with another video. Bye.